Hello children, now we are going to learn what is a velocity. Okay, so there is a difference between the speed and velocity. Okay, that also you will identify in this. See, to understanding the velocity, I am going to explain one example. Let's say your friend traveled 12 meters from initial point A. He started his journey and reached B. Okay, first he traveled 12 meters. What is the length of the path? 12 meters. From there, so here what are the directions we have? This is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. So what is this? This is the east direction, right? After traveling 12 meters towards east, then he turned 5 meters towards north and finally reached point C. He stopped there. To travel this total distance, okay, he has taken 10 seconds. Okay, time taken to travel. Time taken to travel is equal to 10 seconds. Okay, first we have to calculate the distance. What is the distance formula? Distance is a length of the path. What is the length of the path here? First A to the B, this is one length, and B to the C is other length. This is the complete path. So we have to measure the length of this and these two paths we have to measure. This is the path, actual path, right? Now distance is equal to A to the B plus B to the C. Okay, now AB value how much? 12 meters. BC value how much? 5 meters. Yes sir, what is the AB value? 12 meters. What is the BC value? 5 meters. Now distance is equal 12 meter plus 5 meter. Total how many meters? 17 meters. Right? This is distance traveled. Here I am asking you to calculate the speed. So speed formula, speed definition, the rate at which an object covers a distance. Means distance covered by that object must be divided by the time taken. So speed is equal to distance by time. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the speed. What is the distance traveled to total distance? How much on a 17 meters? And what is the time taken to travel this complete distance? 10 seconds. 17 by 10. This is equal to 1.7 meter per second. So what is the speed of the object? 1.7 meter per second. Now we are going to calculate displacement. Okay. See, what is displacement? Displacement, it is the shortest distance. Okay, it is the shortest distance. Displacement is nothing but a distance only, but it is the shortest one, or distance in one direction. Shortest distance between initial and final point. Initial and final point. What is the initial point here? A, where he started the journey? At A, point A. So this is the initial point. Where does he end the journey? C. So this is the displacement. Now this displacement we have to calculate. So this is right angle triangle. If you have the right angle triangle, okay, to find the one of the side, okay, already we know the Pythagoras theorem. What is that? This is the longest side. When we compare this one and this one, this is the longest side. This is called a diagonal, or in trigonometry it is also called hypotenuse. So the square of the AC is equal to sum of the squares of the AB plus BC. So AC we have to find. So AC displacement is equal to AC. To find that, AC square is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now AC square is equal to AB square. What is the length of the AB? 12. So 12 square plus what is the length of the BC? 5. 5 square. Then AC square is equal 12 square value 144, 5 square value 25. Total AC square 169. 169 also can be written as 13 square. AC square is equal to 13 square. then AC is equal to 13. Displacement is equal to how many meters we got? 13 meters. Okay. Now I am going to calculate here velocity. Now introduction to velocity. Velocity, speed is equal to distance by time. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. So the rate of displacement is called velocity. What rate this displacement is happened, that is called velocity. It means quantity, displacement is divided by time. We get velocity. Then velocity is displacement of 13 meters, 1.3. What is speed? 1.73 meter per second. But here velocity has direction. What is the displacement direction? This is towards northeast. Displacement direction is northeast. Then velocity direction also northeast. Between the speed and velocity, speed has no direction. Speed is a scalar quantity, but it has direction. So velocity is a vector quantity. And one more, particular path and reach, for example, started at point A and completed the one round and reached same. Distance is equal to 2 pi r. It is something, speed is something. Okay, but displacement is 0. When displacement is displacement by time, 0 by time, so velocity also 0. When this can be 0, but not be 0. Displacement, previous video, when displacement is velocity, how do you calculate the velocity? Whatever the should from this, we write the velocity. So what is that? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. So what is the velocity formula? Velocity is, please note down this. So from the previous example what we have discussed, this velocity can be defined as the rate of a change of a displacement is called velocity. So the formula for the velocity, velocity is equal to displacement by time. Velocity also denoted by v, displacement is denoted by s, time denoted by t. V is equal to s by t. This is mathematical expression. Then units. CGS, in CGS system, what is the displacement? Displacement is nothing but it's a shortest distance, nothing but length. So length unit same, centimeter, and time unit second, centimeter per second. Speed also has the same unit. Okay. SI unit of the distance, displacement is meter, time is second, meter per second. This is the SI unit. Most of the times we solve the problems in meter per second. But what is a practical unit? Practically, trains, cars, when they travel, kilometers they travel, and hours together they take. That is why the practical unit is kilometer per hour. It is not the CGS unit, SI unit. Okay, I hope you understand. So these are the units. And very important thing you have to note down, velocity is a vector quantity because it has direction. This velocity also can be defined as this way: the speed of an object in one direction. The speed of an object in one direction is also called velocity. See, object travels only in one direction. For example, it is traveled from A to the B. The distance you traveled is, for example, 100,000 meters. Okay, right? Distance traveled is 1000 meters. Let's say time taken is equal to 10 seconds. Then what is the speed? Speed is equal to distance by time, 1000 by 10 seconds. Right? 0, 0 cancel. 100 meter per second. Now I am going to calculate velocity. What is velocity definition? Displacement by time. What is the displacement? Same 1000 meter. Time second, 10 seconds. Okay, 0, 0 cancel. Velocity also 100 meter per second. But it has a direction. What is this direction? Towards east. Towards east. How I wrote east here? So whenever we solve the problems, compulsory we have to denote this way. Okay, this direction is towards east, so I have written towards east. So the main difference between the speed and velocity is this: speed has no direction, velocity has direction. Speed only, velocity, but when object travels in straight line, speed is equal to velocity. Okay, velocity is nothing but speed the object in one direction. I hope you understand this concept. Okay, please note down this.